Playing an air guitar might be fun, but I can assure you, it is not as enjoyable as playing the real guitar. Like this dude. Now that's the attitude. Non-stop rocking. You can begin to play by simply understanding how to read guitar chord diagram. Let me show you a better way reading a chord diagram. If this is your first time learning guitar chords, let's make sure you have the proper orientation of your guitar while visualizing the chord. While sitting down, place the guitar flat on your lap to clearly visualize the fingerboard. Without fretting any note, pluck the low E string, A string, D string, G string, B string, and high E string. These are the frets. And the nut. Now, let's magnify the fingerboard. Similarly, we call these the open strings. Low E, A, D, G, B, high E, of course the frets, and the nut. You will see the corresponding numbers for each finger of the left hand. Let's try to play a D major chord. Without fretting any string, play the open D string. Place finger 1 on the fretboard. Place finger 2 before the second fret, pressing the high E string. Then place finger 3 on the fingerboard before the third fret, pressing the B string. Do not play anything indicated with X. It should be muted. We will not use finger 4 for this chord. Here is the view of a D major chord if someone is playing it in front of you. Again, the open D string, finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, and the muted strings. Here are the rest of the open major chords, with the corresponding fingering for the left hand. Feel free to pause this video so you can see the proper fingering for each chord while trying to play it. I hope you learned from this basic guitar chords tutorial. Visit us at ropemusiclessons.com. Feel free to write your comments for any questions or suggestions so that we can provide you with more helpful tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.